Hi dudes, for our XUV 700 we got some issue because of rat bite. One of our fuel sensor got bitten and the wires have been bitten by the rat. We got water and fuel indicator, then we came to know that when we lifted our bonnet there are so many rat inside our bonnet. Then we are not able to start, so we opted for roadside assistance. If you see here, you can see all the rat waste here. This is the wire which was bitten by a rat. The fuel sensor got bitten badly. Then using roadside assistant, we went to, they took a car to Bangalore, and then they have fixed by just attaching the wire. It costed us around 3,000. So be careful, especially even after attaching the wires and all. Again, every day I was seeing the rat shit over there. So I thought of having rat mesh for my car. This you can see, this is in our Whitefield showroom where our car was getting ready. At the last, the wire has bitten by the rat. You can see here, this is that last, you can see this is the fuel sensor. You can see the small wires. There are 4 wires for the sensor. All 4 wires has been cut. So be careful, especially since you are purchasing with 30 lakhs. You need to be very careful. Yeah, he's repairing that. At first they told me 35,000 to replace whole the wire, but after examining, they told that only if we just attach the wire it will be sufficient. So they are checking. If you keep, there will be small plug here. If you attach that, it will show you what are all the defects you have in this car. Computer monitoring of whole sensors for this XUV. Especially in Mahindra cars, you have more sensors, which is very dangerous. So be careful for your car. Even after that, we came to know that even rats are entering my car bonnet. So I thought of having whole car mesh for this. They are charging around 6,000 for this. You can see here every inch they are fitting this aluminum foil mesh. They told they'll give 1 year warranty for this. It is near Carpram Classic Car Zone. You can see every inch they are fitting with this car mesh. Even for the tires also they are fitting this mesh. Every nook and corner they are fitting this. Let's see what will happen. If you see here, he's cutting every inch to make it fit for this car.
हाँ तुम कर दो
नहीं वो बाद में पकड़
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದೆ ಹಾಂ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ